So here's the question. Your computer or laptop's desktop, do you like it cluttered or icons all over the place, which makes it easy to get to those folders, files, videos, whatever you have on top of your desktop? Or do you prefer it uncluttered, where the only thing you see is whatever image you chose as the background for your desktop? What if you can have both? Let me show you how. Originally, this is probably how desktop looks. Under View, Show Desktop. This is the default. If you don't want to see all those things on top of your desktop and just want to see the image, right-click on any empty spot on your desktop and select View, and this time Uncheck, and you now have an uncluttered desktop. But what about all those icons you're accustomed to accessing? Well, there's an easy way to get to them. Remember, the desktop is nothing but a folder. So if you come down to where the folders are, in my case, I have pinned desktop to my folders. So I do a right click, and there's desktop. Select it, and here are all the things that were on the desktop, easily accessible. I have the folders up on top, and then I have all the other things easily available to me. I arrange them. View, I have it as large icons. And the sort, I have it more type and ascending. And under group, I have it by type. And that's how they're arranged. So that makes it easy for me to get to any of the things that are on the desktop if I need to. But when I don't need it, just close the folder and my desktop is nice and uncluttered, and I just look at the picture I chose for the desktop. So it's the best of both worlds. Again, the desktop is nothing but a folder. So why not use it like you do all the other folders in Windows Explorer? Give it some thought. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.